Quality compliance in LIMS. Quality compliance in a laboratory information management system, LIMS, refers to ensuring that the system adheres to relevant quality standards, regulations, and best practices in order to maintain the accuracy, reliability, and integrity of laboratory data and processes. LIMS is a software solution used to manage laboratory operations, data, and samples. Quality compliance is crucial in various industries, including pharmaceuticals, biotechnology, healthcare, environmental testing, and more. Here are some key aspects of quality compliance in LIMS. Data integrity. Ensuring that data entered, processed, and reported within the LIMS is accurate, complete, and reliable. This involves implementing controls to prevent unauthorized access, tampering, or data loss. Regulatory compliance. LIMS often needs to adhere to specific regulations and standards depending on the industry it serves. Examples include ISO 17025 for testing and calibration laboratories, GMP, Good Manufacturing Practices, for pharmaceuticals, and CLIA, Clinical Laboratory Improvement Amendments, for clinical laboratories. User authentication and authorization. Implementing robust user authentication mechanisms to ensure that only authorized personnel can access and modify data. Different user roles and permissions should be defined to restrict access based on job responsibilities. Data validation. Implementing data validation checks to ensure that only valid and accurate data is entered into the system. This includes range checks, format validation, and logic-based checks. Electronic signatures. For systems that require regulatory compliance, electronic signatures provide a way to authenticate and approve actions, ensuring that actions taken within the system are traceable back to specific users. Change control. Implementing a change control process to manage any modifications made to the LIMS, whether they involve software updates, configuration changes, or workflow adjustments. Changes should be thoroughly tested and documented. Documentation. Keeping detailed documentation of system configuration, processes, and procedures. This documentation is essential for training, audits, and troubleshooting. Validation and testing. Validating the LIMS to demonstrate that it performs accurately and reliably according to its intended use. This involves testing the system thoroughly in various scenarios to ensure its functionality. Training. Providing training to all users to ensure they understand how to use the LIMS properly, especially in a compliant manner. Training helps prevent errors and misuse of the system. Continual improvement. Regularly reviewing and improving the LIMS processes and procedures to enhance its quality, efficiency, and compliance. Quality compliance in LIMS is a continuous effort that requires collaboration between laboratory staff, IT personnel, regulatory experts, and quality assurance teams. It ensures that the data generated and managed by the LIMS can be trusted for making critical decisions and meeting regulatory requirements.